What if I told you that 2020-26 could be the greatest year in Portuguese football history? After decades of heartbreak, golden generation, and near misses, Portugal might finally have their best chance to win their first ever FIFA World Cup. But can they actually do it? Or will history repeat itself? Let's talk about, is Portugal going to win the 2020-26 World Cup? Portugal enters the 2020-26 World Cup as one of the strongest team, and not just because of Cristiano Ronaldo. In fact, this may be the most complete Portuguese squad we have ever seen. Under manager Roberto Martinez, Portugal has transformed into a team filled with world-class talent in almost every position. Their midfield feature players like Bruno Fernandes, Vitinha, and Joao Neves, while the defense is led by Ruben Dias, Nuno Mendes. Up in front, they have stars like Rafael Leao, Pedro Neto, Gonzalo Ramos, and of course, no introduction needed. But let's talk about the biggest name, Cristiano Ronaldo. At 41 years of age, Ronaldo is preparing for his 6th World Cup, something no outfield player has ever achieved before. And despite his age, he remains an important part of Portugal's attack. Since Roberto Martinez became coach, Ronaldo has scored 25 goals in 30 international matches. This is likely his final World Cup call. The only major trophy missing from his legendary career is World Cup. Imagine the story. The greatest Portuguese player ever. One final tournament, one final chance, one final dance, and Portugal has won their first ever World Cup. But football is not a movie, and winning the World Cup is never easy. Portugal's history in this competition is filled with disappointment. Their best finish came in 1966 when they finished third. Since then, they have produced incredible players including Luis Figo, Rui Costa, Pepe, Cristiano Ronaldo, and many others. Yet somehow the trophy has always escaped them. Why? The good news is the current team is different. Many football fans and analysts believe Portugal has one of the strongest midfield in the entire competition. Vitinha is coming off with incredible performance at club level, recently won a UCL trophy. Bruno Fernandes continue to be one of the most creative midfielder in football, and Joao Neves bring energy, pressing, and intelligence beyond his years. If Portugal controls the game through midfield, they can beat anyone. I mean anyone. Literally anyone. Another reason is Portugal's recent form. Before the World Cup, they won the UEFA Nations League and arrived in excellent shape. Under Roberto Martinez, they have impressive win percentage and even recorded an 11 matches winning streak. This is a team entering with confidence. However, there are still concerns. The biggest question is whether Portugal can handle the pressure when facing elite teams, because group stage football and knockout football is completely different thing. Portugal World Cup group include Colombia, DR Congo, Uzbekistan, one of the easiest hat-trick in Ronaldo's career. On paper, they should qualify comfortably, but the real challenge starts later. Teams like Argentina, France, Spain, Brazil, Germany, England, okay, let's not talk about them, are all fighting for the same trophy. One bad game, one mistake, one unlucky moment, and your dream is over. Another concern is Ronaldo's role. While he remains a dangerous goal scorer, Portugal can no longer rely on him to do everything. The younger stars must take responsibility. Rafael Leao needs to provide moment of magic. Bruno Fernandes must control games. Vitinha has to dominate the midfield, and the defense must stay solid under pressure. Because if Portugal become too dependent on a 41-year-old Ronaldo, community discussion about Portugal often highlight this exact concern, despite acknowledging the squad incredible quality. So, will Portugal win the World Cup? The honest answer is they absolutely can. Portugal has the talent, they have the depth, they have experience, they have momentum, and they have one of the best squad in the tournament. But football doesn't care about talent alone. To lift the trophy, Portugal must do something they have never done before. Imagine the final whistle. Portugal are world champion. Cristiano Ronaldo lifts the World Cup. After 20 years of World Cup football, after 6 tournaments, after every heartbreak, the greatest chapter in Portuguese football history would finally be complete. Will it happen? Nobody knows. But one thing is certain, if Portugal is ever going to win the World Cup, 2026 might be their best chance yet. What do you think? Is Portugal winning the World Cup? Let's talk in comment.